Welcome YouTubers, we're going to go ahead and go through an overhead shot of the Zotac Gaming Twin Edge Overclock Edition 3060. This is an unboxing with a first impression of the GPU. Really curious to see why they did 12 gigabytes for the VRAM. I have no idea because 12 gigabytes is super overkill. I feel like 10 gigabytes for a low-end GPU is overkill. I feel like anywhere from 6 to 8 is probably going to be realistic. It is using the latest memory technology of GDDR6, which is nice. Really looking forward to the ray tracing. From my understanding, that's supposed to be a game changer with the 30 series GPUs. This is the overclock edition, so you are going to be spending an extra $100. The MSRP on this guy is going to be about $499 compared to $399 for the standard edition. Let's go ahead and turn it over. Looking here on the back, we got the Ice Storm 2.0, which is Zotac's version of how they cool their GPUs. Freeze, which is a fan stop when GPU is idling. That's pretty basic for any GPUs that you buy on the market. Essentially, if the GPU is not under a heavy load, the fans will just automatically stop. Firestorm, GPU tune and monitor with intelligence. This has got to be their application or program rather, where you can tune, modify, overclock the GPU. Really curious to see how this is. I've never used that with Zotac before. Down here on the bottom, we have the features, second gen ray tracing cores. Really curious to see how this is going to be for gaming. This is going to be a super intense GPU for 1080. Can pretty much conquer anything for that. If you're looking at 2K or 4K, I think it's going to be a different realm. This is not the GPU for that. You continue down here, we got the third gen tensor sensor cores, which is pretty much the new updated NVIDIA technology. PCI Express Gen 4, yeah, this is the latest motherboards. Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate, GDDR6 graphics memory, which is nice, latest technology. And it looks like just NVIDIA DLSS and NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Not a big fan of GeForce Experience. I've been pretty much a hater of that since it got released and since NVIDIA wanted to start collecting information on their users. Just throwing that out there. But now that we've seen the cover, let's go ahead and pop this thing open and see what we got inside. I went ahead and cut it open earlier, made it a little bit easier to film this video. Right here, we got the box. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. Pop this guy open. And bam, right there, we got a nice booklet. Get amplified. I'm assuming this is going to be where all the paperwork that you usually receive with any hardware is going to be at. Let's go ahead and pop this open right here. Take a look at these stickers. Big fan of receiving stickers from any piece of hardware that I receive because I love pimping out my cases. And this has got like some sort of psychedelic vibe to it, which is nice. Let's go and look at this booklet right here. Get Amplified Zotac Gaming. It looks like it just got a lot of different stuff that they sell on there. Ooh, I found this interesting. 2019 copyright quick installation guide. Cool. Stuff that we don't really need. Now let's go to the GPU itself. A nice thick anti-static case, which is nice. Take a look at this puppy. Ooh, look at that. Look at that finish, you guys. GeForce RTX Live to Game. Does that look nice or what? I'm assuming this is probably going to light up here. Maybe some RGB in there somewhere. We do have the 8-pin right here as well. The 2 fans. But look at that finish, you guys. Really curious, though, to see how this is going to look under a heavy load in a couple of months when it starts accumulating that dust. But besides that, it looks really nice. Looks like we got 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. Pretty standard. Right now on the screen, I'm going to go ahead and put up the full details for this, guys, if you want to take a look. I want to thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, click on that thumbs up, and catch me on Instagram at MasterPCBuilder. I want to leave this video with a question for you guys. What do you guys think of the Zotac RTX 3060? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. My name is Josh, I'm Master PC Builder, and we'll see you guys in the next one.